mean is you can see here for the equation for the mean, summation of the x value of the k and summation. So it is a summation. X is the mean of the x, what you can call it as a x oblique, like that yk minus y oblique. So k varies from 1 to n. First time you substitute k as a 1, subtract it from the mean of the x, because x is a vector. So set up the values are there for the x, because the k values vary from 1 to n. Definitely you are going to get the set of the values, what you can call it as a the vector. Y is also vector. This is the covariance equation. 1 dividing by n minus 1, k is equal to 1 to n, xk minus x oblique, yk minus y oblique. Whereas variance is the standard deviation, or you can call it as a variance, whereas this is a covariance. Variance is between same point. So in the case of the variance, instead of this yk, so it will also a xk, and instead of the y oblique, it is y only. So variance or standard deviation, so it is between the same point. Hence, if it is a xk and xk oblique, in the case of the variance or standard deviation, multiplication of these two is its square, root under square. Okay. So by making use of this covariance and the standard deviations of the x and y, you can find the correlation, where correlation is the linear relationship between the object. So linear equation, you can give the equation as a x is equal to, so ay plus b. So this is the equation for the linear equation. Non-linear, you can give a is equal to x is equal to y square. So it is a non-linear equation. So visually evaluating correlations. Okay, so you can see the visual how exactly the two parameters are correlated, either linearly or non-linearly. Okay, so you make this. If the values is 1, linear value is 1, that means the two points are similar. If the 2 points are similar, that is equation, what you can call it as a linear equation. X is equal to, so I'll show the linear equation. X is equal to, you can write the linear equation. X is equal to, this is what we write. X is equal to ay plus b. A and y are 2 points, whereas a and b are constant. So this is the linear equation. Okay. So if they are similar, the 2 points are similar. If x varies because of this b, x is 0, because in the linear equation y is also 0, but because of the constant b, so y is showing some values. Okay, so it is both are varying. If x varies, y also varies. Okay, x increases, y is also increases. Whereas in the case of the its value is the cosine value or the Euclidean distance, if the x and y are exactly opposite, what will happen? So if the x increases, this is what the increase of the x, and this is what the increase of the y. If -1 is there, they are exactly opposite. X increases, y start decreasing. So this x is increasing, whereas y is decreasing, because the relation is -1. Please make the note, visually evaluating. Whereas in the case of the similarity, x varies, y also varies. So whereas in the case of they are differing. -1 means they are differing. They are exactly opposite. So the linear relation is one is increases. Whereas in this case the x is increasing, whereas the y is decreasing. This is what y. This is what the x. So changing. If it is a 0.9, slowly changing from the 1 to the -1, that's what distortion is there. So you can take the middle one. Exactly, there is a no relation at all. Neither the one is one similarity or the negative similarity. So if you are taking 0, 0 in the middle, so lot of distortion is there. So because it is changing exactly at the center, all are scattered one. All are scattered one. That's what. See, if it is a -90, it is nearly coming to the -1. That's what. All are. It is a glimsy. This is a glimsy, whereas this is almost minus 0.90 is almost equal to -1. That's what it is nearly coming to the this graph. 0.8 again slowly it is decreasing. -0.8 is less than -1. Slowly it is turning towards the positive. That's what distortion. When it comes for in between middle, so there is it is a neither it is a -1 nor it is a the relation is a positive one. That's what completely glimsy. So this is what the visual representation of the similarity from similarity from -1 to +1. If the similarity is a +1, so the parameter, this is very important one. Please understand this concept. Just what you can do to understanding these two concepts, you compare these two. The similarity is one means x and y are same values. X and y are, for example, x is 1, y is also 1. So x is 2, y is 2. That's what x is 100, y is also 100. So x is 100. This point is 100. So y is also 100. 100 plus b. 100 plus b. That's what it is. A little bit more as compared to the x. So I have shown in the linear equation. So x is equal to ab plus ay plus b is there, where x and y are 2 points, a and b are constant. So to read the book, what you can do, if you are understanding all these things, it is very difficult to digest this figure. You will not prepare for this question. So it is a very simple one, but it looks very tricky. So just similarity is there, both very uniformly. If there is a exactly opposite, so one increases, other one is decreases. So this is it is slowly turning toward the difference. That's what it is. Small difference is there between 1 and 0.9. That's what the small scattering. So it is turning slowly the exactly opposite. So see, you can observe at the end, middle, no. So lot of glimsy are there because it is turning either from, -1 this side or +1 this side. It is a middle there. That's what lot of scattering. There is a no relation at all. No relation. You will never find the relation between x and y. So correlation is absolutely 0 for this. So this is regarding the visual evaluating of the similarity. Time is up. I'll conclude today's session. Tomorrow we'll see the drawback of the correlation. Okay. So I'll conclude. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Okay, you can quit. Thank you.